Here is your balloon, and
So amazing, Dad. So interesting.
so it got blasted.
Okay.
Now, where is your second balloon?
Right here.
So we'll do more amazing with this. Are you
Here
ready
there
for
is
the
an
arrangement with me? I'm bringing it.
Okay,
It
Dad.
is Jashi. The arrangement, you can see what is there.
Wow. So many nails. How many nails on it, Dad?
I think I have not counted, but I think around 1000 nails are there on this. And this is a nail bed for someone.
For whom, Dad?
For your sweet, cute pink balloon.
No, Dad. I don't want to do that. Please.
Jashi, believe in me, we'll make your balloon to sleep on it and nothing is going.
No, Dad. It will keep. It will blast up.
Okay, let us see. But keep the balloon on it. There is something to cover. Bed is there. Blanket is also there for your balloon, Jashi. This plank is going to hold it in the position. Okay? Hold this mic, Jashi. Now I'm
Dad.
keeping the balloon, and there is a blanket also for your balloon, Jashi, that will not allow your balloon to go this side or that side. Now, shall we press your balloon?
Dad, it will blast up. Please don't do like that.
Nothing is going to happen, Jashi. You also keep your hand here. Along with my hand, Jashi is also going to press. Again, press, Jashi. Press together. Let us press one more go, one more go. Anything happened to your balloon? See, is it touching?
No, Dad. How it could be possible?
Is your balloon touching the nails?
Yes, Dad.
Check one more time. Yes.
Whoa.
Then why it is not blasting, Jashi?
I don't know that reason. It is so amazing. Is it a magic, Dad?
There is no magic here, Jashi. I'm a science teacher, and how I will perform magics. So here there is a principle called pressure. Pressure. So force and pressure. So when we are using one nail, the entire force is being distributed on one single nail tip. So the pressure is high, and which is able to prick your balloon before. So it got blasted. But when we have distributed the same force here on around 1000 nails, the pressure got decreased. So your balloon is safe here. For more such amazing videos on science,
To visit our GeniScience. Thank you.
thank you.